So in this video we're going to talk about list in Python. So list is a mutable collection, and inside the list we can hold multiple items, and the items can be of different types also. So first of all, let's see how we can create one list. So let's just create my list. So to create the list we have to use the square brackets, and inside the square brackets we can have multiple items, like an example 1, 2 and 3 and so on. So we can store multiple items comma separated, and also list can hold items of different types also. So it can hold integer, it can hold string data type, and also so many different data types also. Now inside the list we can store duplicate items also. So let's now see how we can access elements of a list. Now to access the elements we need to use indexing. So the indexing start from 0. So the first element has the index 0, second element has the index 1, third element has the index 2 and so on. Now to access the first item we have to use the index 0, and to access the second item we can use the index 1. Now to access the last item we can use the index -1. So this is 0, and we can access the last one using the -1 also. Now because list items are mutable, so that means we can modify the elements. So let's see how we can modify the elements. So we can select any specific item and we can assign new value. Like an example, we are selecting the first item, and here we're going to assign the string 1. And now if we print my list, so here you can see the first item is modified with the string 1, and also we can add new elements into our list. So for this we can use different methods. Like an example, we can use the append method, and we can append one new element like 5 at the end of this list. And also suppose we wanted to insert element at one particular index, in that case we can use the insert function. So the first argument is the index where we wanted to insert the element, and the second argument is the element itself. So we can store the element 2 in the index 1, and also we can remove elements from one list. We can use the remove method. So my list dot remove. So here we have to specify which element we wanted to remove. So here we can pass 4. So the element 4 will be removed from the list. We can also remove only the last element from the list. For this we can use the pop method. So we can use my list dot pop. So this will remove and return the element from the list. So we can store the returned element in a variable. And also we have so many other different methods to work with the list. Like an example, to determine the length of a list we can use the len method. So inside the len function we can pass the name of the list, and it will return the length of the list. And also we can sort the elements of the list by using the sort method. So we can use my list dot sort, and it will sort the elements of the list. And also we can reverse all the elements of the list by using the reverse method. So we can use my list dot reverse, and this will reverse all the elements of the list. So the list in Python are similar to the array in other programming languages. So the list in Python are very flexible, and here it allows us to easily add new elements, we can remove elements, and also we can modify elements as per our need. And the lists are highly efficient for sequential data manipulation. So hope you understand about list in Python. See you in the next one. Take care.